The high loop drain bracket solves a common problem with dishwasher installation. It's easy to install without tools. Everything you need comes in the package, including the high drain loop bracket and 4 pieces of 3M brand VHB tape. First, prepare the surface by cleaning and drying an area on the back wall under the sink next to your dishwasher. Keep in mind that the bracket should be applied as high as possible, while allowing enough room for the hose to form a loop at the top of the bracket. Peel the white backing off the VHB tape and apply 1 piece to each of the 4 squares at the corners of the high drain loop bracket. Make sure to press the tape onto the bracket firmly for 30 seconds, rubbing all areas of the tape to make sure it has adhered to the bracket. Next, peel the red backing off of the tape using the tabs. In the area that you prepared under the sink, hold and firmly press the bracket in place for at least 30 seconds. Now, form a loop at the top of your dishwasher hose and push it into the bracket on both sides. That's it. We recommend that you use the VHB tape to install the bracket, but if you prefer to attach the bracket using screws, the high drain loop also has 2 holes where screws can be used instead of the tape. Before using screws, check to see if there are any pipes behind the wall that could be punctured by the screws. Now, your dishwasher is ready to safely use.